Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to see how we can convert any amount field or amount value or currency value into the word. Let's say we have amount of 3232 and you want to convert into the word. So it's going to give you 3232, whatever is the value. Let's say if I give 5000, so it's going to give me the word 5000. So some scenario whenever we want to print a check, so we write amount as 1 lakh or 2 lakh. So I want it in the word as well. Or let's say in the document somewhere some big amount is written just in the number. At that time, some person may come and modify that number. So I want to have it in the word as well. So I have created, first of all, this is a currency field and we have a amount in words. This is a simple text. So for this, I have created a JavaScript and I have added it on the event, what you call on change event. And now, but I'm going to show you from the scratch how I'm going to create a JavaScript, how we can register on the form, on which event and all. And before this, we created a plugin for checking if there is any duplicate record existing in the case or not. So let's say if the driving license is 1 to 3 and another person is also having driving license of 1 to 3, that time it should throw an error like you cannot save the record. So for this, we used JavaScript as well as the plugin code as well. To know that, you can just go to my YouTube channel, which is
Today in
Power
this video
Dynamics,
we'll see how we can
and
create.
refer all those things. Also, if you want to know get the code, you can go to my Power Dynamics blogspot. Here, there somewhere you should be able to get it. I'll just put in the description link. Now coming to the main part here, which is how to convert amount field to the words. So this is 5000. If I give 5, let's say 50, 50 and 23. So it should give, you can see 50 and 23 cents. It's giving the exact value. So for this, let's first go to the form case and go to the form properties. So not on this one. I think it is the one which is already there is on change event of amount field. So first of all, I'm going to disable it and I'm going to show you from the scratch. Okay. So events, and we have this one. I'm just going to remove it. Cool. Click on OK, save and publish. Publish it. It's taking some time. Okay, so it's publishing. Now once this is removed, I think it should not change the value. Let's hold on. So this is done. Let's come here, give a hard refresh, and let's see if it is changing. Okay, still changing. So sometimes Dynamics, it takes some time to whatever the publishing we are doing, it takes some time to reflect. So need to have some patience here. So once this is implemented, I'm going to write the JavaScript, which I have already written. I'm just going to walk you through this, and then I'm going to show you how you can register it. Okay, so now you can see this is not being updated. So let me open the file here. Okay, so this is the code which is changing the amount value and converting any numeric amount into the words. So now let's break down the value. First, this is the code. First of all, we have function one, which is convert amount to words. And here in this function, we are calling another function for handling the value. Let's say we have single digit. If someone is entering just 5, that time how it should handle. If someone is entering 2 digit, 55, and then below 100, and then millions, billions, everything we are handling in another function. So here, this convert amount to words. This function, it will be triggered whenever a value in that amount value changes from 5 to 10 or any time. So it will be only on the change event. Now it first retrieves the numerical value from the new amount field, and then it checks if the value is having value or not, or if it is none. If it is null and null, it's not going to do anything. If it has value, then only it is going to implement its logic. Now here you can see if it has the value, it calls the convert number to words function to convert the whatever the numeric value is there in that field to words and set the results as new amount words here only. Now coming to the second function, which is convert number to words. So this function, it takes a numeric value, let's say n, and convert it into words. So it first checks if the number is negative, or if it is it returns false and all. Okay. And it also handles the situation wherever, let's say, someone is entering just zero. That time it should return zero. Okay, here you can see if n is equal to zero, then it will return zero. Now you see here we have single digit, digit, and below 100. So if the number is less than 10, then it uses the words from single digit array. If the number is from 10 to 19, okay, then it uses the words from double digit array. Same way from 20 to 19, it checks from below 100 array. And if the number is from 100 to 999, then it includes the 100 places along with the remainder. Similarly, it handles all the other values like thousands, millions, billions, and all. Okay. Finally, here, if you see, it finally constructs the final result by combining the words of for the integers and the decimal parts, which is given in the field. If it is appropriate, it's going to combine all the uh, going to trim all the values. So this is all about this JavaScript code, and now I'm just going to copy it, and let's change the value, convert amount to words demo. Okay, Control A, Control C, and now let's open our this one. Going to the form here. Where is the form? First of all, form properties. In the form properties, we are going to create a new JavaScript now, and then we are going to add that Java. So first of all, click on add, and here going to create a new. You can either add in the existing one also, but right now I'm just showing you from the scratch. So let's give it as a name as amount to words and April. Okay. Name, let it be this only, not others. This is the demo. Amount to words. Fine. Type, select it as a JavaScript. Go to text editor, paste the value, and just note down the function name. Demo. Control C, click on OK. Once this is done, I'm just going to save and publish and then add it on that field. Save and publish now. Publish it. So I think this is published. Okay. So I'm just going to close it. And here we have this amount towards April. Click on add. And in this one, click on, okay. So this is added. Now click on OK. And I want to trigger on the amount. So click on the amount. And here we have the events. So you need to add that function in the events. On change, going to add, and the function, okay, the JavaScript file is amount towards April, pass execution. The function name is convert amount towards demo. Click on OK, click on this one, save and publish it. So in case this one is going to trigger on change event. In case if you want to trigger on save, then you need to, from the form property itself, we have on save trigger. From there you can enable it. Okay. Now click on, okay, it's taking some time. Click on publish. Okay, so now it should reflect in the case form. Let it publish now. It's taking some time. Okay. Okay, it's done now. Let's come to our case. Give a hard refresh. It may take some 1 or 2 minutes in case if it's not reflecting. Let's just check. It's not reflecting. Give again a refresh. And here we have the amount. So let's say if I give 1000. Okay, now it is taking. So the JavaScript, whatever we have written, it's working now. Now let's say if I give 1050. So 1050, let's say if I give 1050 and 66 here. So 1050 and 66, you can see it here, 66 cents. Same way, let's say if I give any other big value, let's see how it's going to handle. It's taking 50,236,326. And if I give again some 45, okay, value. Let's see, I think it should be able to handle all the, I have covered all the conditions. So you can see we have this and 45 cents at the end. So it's covering everything. Now in order to know if you know want to get the code, how whatever it is, I'm going to post it into my blog, which is bar this one. And I'll put the description in the video itself. So you can just go download it and use in your project. So that's all from my end. If you have any question or if you want to know or learn any more topic, feel free to comment it down. I'll try to cover it. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.